In this video, I'll talk about backlinks, what they are, why they matter, and how they can boost your site's ranking. Let's get started. So first, let's see what is a backlink. A backlink is simply a link from one website to another. It's also called an inbound link or incoming link because it directs users from an external website to your site. Alright, let's see an example. So this is a page about digital marketing on Wikipedia, and if I scroll down, you can see the references section here. Now these are all the links that are pointing to other websites. Some of these are PDF links and some of them are regular web pages. Let's open this one. So you can see here we were at Wikipedia and now we are at this website. So we can say that this website has a backlink from Wikipedia, or we can say this web page has a backlink from Wikipedia's page about digital marketing. Now for Wikipedia, this is an external link because it points outside Wikipedia. But for this website, this is an incoming link or a backlink. Now let's see another example. I am on Indeed.com, and if I scroll down, you can see this link. If I open this link, it will go to this website bls.gov. So we can say that bls.gov has a backlink from Indeed.com, or again we can say this web page has a backlink from Indeed's this page. So this is what a backlink is, simply a link from one website to another. Now let's discuss why are backlinks important for SEO. Well, first thing first, they are a major Google ranking factor. In fact, multiple studies have shown that websites with more high-quality backlinks tend to rank higher. One well-known study by Backlinko analyzed over 10 million search results and found that pages with more backlinks ranked significantly higher on Google. Now think of backlinks like votes of confidence. The more votes your site gets, the more Google sees it as trustworthy and valuable. And when Google trusts you, you rank higher. Simple as that. But here's the thing. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some links carry more weight than others. This is called weighted democracy. A backlink from a high authority site like say Forbes or Wikipedia counts way more than a random link from a small blog. That's why it's not just about getting backlinks, it's about getting the right links. And that's why backlinks are so important. More high quality backlinks mean better rankings, more traffic, and ultimately more success for your website. So at the end of the day, backlinks are like the backbone of SEO. If you want to rank higher, you need them. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.